안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today I want to share with you a special sauce that I've been using for a long time. I named this sauce as all-purpose spicy Korean sauce. By adding this magical spicy sauce, you can make a delicious Korean dishes with almost any ingredients that you have. Let's start from making the sauce. You need 10 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of mirin or rice wine. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey to it. Now let's flavor the sauce. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt goes in the sauce. You'll also need 1 cup of gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, and half cup of gochujang. Seed the sauce for at least an hour and it will turn a beautiful sauce with lots of flavor. Many restaurants use this kind of pre-made sauce as it allows you to place your order and serve it to the table in less than 20 minutes. Let's put the sauce in a bottle. One of the great things about this sauce is that it doesn't require cooking. The sauce needs to be refrigerated. Heat the pan over medium-high and add a little bit of oil and add sliced chicken breast to the pan. When it changes color, add the vegetables cut into strips and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of the sauce and mix and cook it for additional 2 minutes. Add the sesame oil at the end and turn off the heat. My chicken and veggie spicy stir fry was just made in less than 10 minutes. Using this all-purpose spicy Korean sauce, you can easily make actually many different dishes. And the good thing is that you can keep this sauce in a refrigerator up to 3 months. On my next video, I'll show you more examples. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.